Hello from Ton Sai Beach in Phi Phi Island. Uh, this is a very small beach on Phi Phi Don Island, and Phi Phi Islands, uh, it's spelled Phi, but it's pronounced Phi Phi Island. It's one of the most exotic islands here in Thailand that belong to the Krabi region actually. I thought they were in Phuket. And I have shown you earlier the beach on the other side, Don Salam or something. This is Ton Sai, and it's almost empty today. And I really need to speed up the process for this beach adventure as the boat leaves in 5 minutes. So this will be a very, very short beach adventure indeed. So there are lots of boats here that can take you to different islands as well. And what else? Yeah. So I'm today on a tour from Phuket city, and we were visiting many different spots here in Paradise, and now we are in Phi Phi Don Island, and there are a few more spots left, including the Monkey Beach and Kai Island. But yes, from another beach adventure from Phi Phi Don Island, let's go! Alright, so that's a wrap from this PD episode from Phi Phi Don Island. Actually, PD swim, as I have shown you earlier, the city a bit more in this episode. So thank you so much for watching, and greetings from Phi Phi Don Island on this beautiful 21st of December 2024, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!
ไหนมันถ้าเป็นล้อมันเนี่ยล้อ mấy điều là cũng có chào không phải cái thì thường là thú thế là rất là thích vậy.